2 eggs in a pan.
Wow.
So we're gonna make 2 eggs on a pan.
Give me a plate from
By Lovely. Need a big plate. 2 buns. Have you got your egg stuff ready? I thought
Bake it.
it was keyed. This is the egg. There's 2 eggs. Is it 2 eggs? Because
Yes, 2 eggs.
that don't look it. Well, this is from our previous video, guys. I'll just cut it with a little knife. Okay. Put it on. Only like half an egg, which is basically 1. Don't move it, just keep doing that while I eat. This is actually good. You warm the buns if they just came straight out of the freezer. Two eggs. That's easy. Lucas. يلا بلا شيء. اسمع انا مش oily. It's fine. I'll see you guys in a bit. Philip, It's good. And one side you put cheese, which I can put, you can put the camera. Flip them again. Just basically make your normal 2 eggs, you know, like the spice and stuff you put in, just put that. And salt and pepper and just do what we're doing now. So I don't need to buy any stuff. What you have to do, you can watch. You can do any topping, you don't have to do cheese. You can't open it, so. Look, I can't do it. I'm like, with it. I'm pretty sure I made that before. But I didn't do it with the egg, I did it with the actual bread as well. So what do you call it? Bun and dal? No. Well, what was the video's name? Ooh, one's for me. I'll do very disgusting, so yeah. And there you have it, guys. Ooh, pretty. Done. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.